Hey guys, let's solve the STL problem using C++. So this is the first video, and in this video we have declared a vector. First of all, we have to import vector library. Then we have imported using namespace. Then we created a add element set to vector for uh, adding new element into the vector. So we have the term we have add five elements from this vector. We use the inbuilt function of vector num.push_base for adding all new elements into the base, and we also use the print function for printing the elements. So you can see that I entered five values and all are print below. Thank you. Well,